Hey guys, Max here with CAtuned Off-Road. In this video, we're going to show you how to install rock sliders on a 6th gen Toyota 4Runner. Let's get started. Okay, you will get a kit that you're going to have to drill a little bit to 1/2 inch, this little step drill. And then you'll get this tool that you have to insert the inserts. So what we're going to do is going to show you one side how to install. We're going to drill them out. Some of them will actually go all the way through the frame. There's a couple of them we'll show you too, and we'll show you how to install them. Once you install one side, you're just going to repeat the other one. It's that simple. To get started, there is a plastic piece we just removed here, and we're going to show you how to trim that as well so it's nice and clean. All right, guys, let's get started. Okay, guys, so we have circled where you need to drill them out. As you can see, those will be factory. These are the ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're gonna use this 90-degree angle drill. You can use in different ones, but this one works really well. So it's kind of, as you can see, it's kind of tight up in here. Okay, we're gonna start drilling. All right, go ahead. All right, so we're gonna repeat the whole thing all across, guys. All right, guys, this is the tool. So basically we have the rib nut on here. We're using a, 13/16 to hold this. Then you're gonna move with this. But we're gonna use actually a socket to move this. So basically you're gonna turn it clockwise. It's gonna pull this in. Once it stops, it's done. It's that easy, guys. Let's get started.
Скажешь. Я говорю. Давай.
All right, guys, we got all these insert nuts in. Some of them are kind of tight, so you guys are gonna have to bear with yourself when you, like, especially that one you're doing. It gets, right next to the wires and all that. Yeah, once you got it in tight, Good to go. You can install the actual slider. These are the factory 2 points right here we're going to install. Okay, one thing guys I want to mention, on the passenger side, you have to include this shim here on this side, like this sandwich. The reason why, and I'll show you, is there's a weld, like a pinch weld, that sticks out. So this shim actually makes it all straight and everything. So make sure you don't forget about this on the passenger side. All right, good thing to know is you have a buddy to help you out. You know, this can be heavy, or have a jack. So the hardware kit is going to come with a bunch of bolts and stuff.
Stop.
Okay guys, by the fender side, I want to mention that this right here, what we do is have to massage it. Take a little hammer. This rubber hammer is actually nice. Just like that. Just bend it in a little bit. Just like that. You'll see it here later that it's going to be in the way. Okay. Be good to have a buddy to help you out, or a couple of jack stands maybe, or jacks to install this. We're going to try to install those 2 bolts that go to the factory front frame. Eli's got one in the back. Once you get a couple in, then you can actually relax. Main thing is getting everything just hand tight without using the tools. All right, you guys, so as you can see, we got it installed all tighty-whitey, and so you'll see some of the tight ones here. So this one goes all the way through the frame. Let's try to get you a good pic. There you go. Hopefully you can see that. There it is. It's pretty tight. This other one goes across the whole frame as well. Sorry for the camera shakiness. There it is over there. So next up, we're gonna trim this plastic piece, and that's pretty much it. All right guys, so this is this plastic piece right underneath here. There's a screw they unscrew there, clip, and there's a plug. And on the sides are 2 10mm screws. So we're gonna cut this off. When you take this off, guys, use a clip on this one remover. We'll learn to, once you unclip that one, just slide it forward and it'll come off there. So we're gonna cut this, we're gonna use like a jigsaw. That way it fits nicely right there. All right, you guys, this completes our install on the rock sliders on this 6th gen Toyota 4Runner. Guys, our rock sliders are designed to give you the most amount of clearance on this market compared to the other people. This is very nice and slick DOM tubing. We use zinc powder coating with a black powder coating, 1-year warranty. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate. Reach out to us by email, phone numbers, or DM us. Thank you guys.